What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back at the crib with my boy Gage.
Yes, sir. If you don't know me, I go by the name Pluto.
No, you don't. So today we are going to be doing something with the Koenigsegg. I feel like I haven't really posted that many videos about the Koenigsegg, but we are going to be taking.
Have you driven it on camera yet?
I've driven it a couple times, but I don't think I've driven it on camera. So since I got a new camera, we're going to go out there and take it for a ride.
Yeah, I'm down. I want to go to McDonald's. I want a McChicken.
A Filet of Fish? You'll try the Filet of Fish?
Okay, so like, guys, I do not like fish. And one day we were getting McDonald's, and this dude Riley got a Filet of Fish. He bit into it right next to me. Stuff just flew on my face, and ever since then I'm like, that is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. So I refuse to eat.
He eats tuna from Subway, but he won't eat Filet of Fish.
When's the last
McDonald's.
time I had tuna from Subway?
I don't know.
Bro, I was craving. It was one of them days I was just craving tuna fish, and Subway just happened to have it while I was there.
So long story short, we're gonna take the Koenigsegg through a McDonald's drive-thru. I'm sure those McDonald's employees never seen anything like that before.
No, they see the loft.
But not the Koenigsegg. And this is going to be really my first time really taking the Koenigsegg out for a real drive. I've driven the Bugatti a good amount. I drove that Senna a good amount, the LaFerrari a good amount. But this is the first time really, like literally taking the Koenigsegg on a drive.
Right.
I've taken it to the gas station, down the street, moved it around. But this is like my first time driving. So yeah.
You're going through a drive-through.
You got to.
You got to. Gosh, y'all think what I'm thinking?
All right, you ready?
I'm always ready.
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, you guys, we are in the Koenigsegg. The windows are down. We got the top off. It is windy, but man, this thing is insane. You're the passenger seat. What are you doing?
I'm never the passenger. I gotta fix the seat. I forgot Tim be in the passenger seat. He's a little too short.
We're in the neighborhood, so I feel comfortable driving with the camera, but when we get on the main street, I'm gonna have to hand the camera over to Gage because I'm a little nervous driving a $30 million car or something like that?
Yeah, it's around 30, 40, 56, maybe 100 million.
At this point, it doesn't matter. They're all stupid expensive. Like I said, I was pulling the car out of the garage like the other day, and they were all making fun of me because I guess whenever they drive it, their heads don't stick out, but my head like sticks over the windshield. So it's like I can like see. I would get like bugs in my eyes. I need to wear goggles or something.
You're like baby Burlacker.
I'm not as tall as him. I'm like, what? He's like 6'6", I'm like 6'4", so it's like, but yes, we still have similar problems getting in and out of these cars, because right now I can see over the windshield.
That's
like,
not good. That's not good.
Can I give it a little bit of beans now?
A little bit of beans, because there's a red light right there.
Nice. It's like there's pinto beans, green beans, like
bro, we're not talking
black beans.
There's a black Porsche in front of you that you're about to hit.
Just a little bit of beans. This seat is like actually comfortable. Like it fits my shoulders and stuff.
Yeah, this car actually is really comfortable. Most of these cars are kind of comfortable.
I really don't want my hat to fly off, so I'm trying to like keep it on my head.
Right.
It is very loud.
Yeah,
like,
it is loud.
It's a loud car. Like compared to like all the other ones, it's very loud.
You compare this car to the Bugatti. What do you like better about this car? What do you like better about the Bugatti?
Well, the thing about this car is the top comes off.
That is true. The Bugatti does not have a removable roof like this car does.
Right.
I think the Bugatti is all around comfortable driving. With this car, you get more of that race car experience.
Yeah, it's super loud. Like I can put it in neutral real quick and just.
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna do that. I'm really not worried about my driving because I feel very confident in my driving ability. It's the other people on the road that I'm scared about.
Yeah, there are some like people like will look at this car and forget how to drive. Yeah, they'll start swerving. There's a pothole. Even though the Bugatti's faster, in my opinion, these cars are both like really fast. 1,500 horsepower on each cars. Oh my god! Oh my god! I love this car. It's just so different from the Bugatti. They have so many similarities, but they're actually completely different.
So weird, there's no shifting. Where is the shifting?
It's like driving a damn Tesla. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! My hand! Imagine if the Bugatti had no roof. Bro, the Mistral we're getting is faster than the Chiron. That's 1,600 horsepower, right?
Yes.
And it has a removable roof, so that Bugatti Mistral is going to be absolutely insane. Here we are, Mickey D's, bruh.
I've never been here before.
You haven't? I don't think I have either.
You want me to pull through
No,
this?
just go to the far right lane. Guys, one thing about McDonald's, bro, these lanes are so freaking little, bro.
Oh, no.
Definitely go through the right one. That's where me and Team Fox went through.
Alright. Do you know what you want? Yeah, can I get a, what do you want?
Fish fillet, whatever.
Can I get a fish fillet? Yeah, that'll be it. Can I get 2 of them, actually? Thank you. Oh, bro, I don't have my wallet either.
Dude, we both forgot our wallets,
Wait.
bro. They'll have Apple Pay, right? They'll have Apple Pay. Okay, you're actually hella close up here. Dude, you're about to hit the curb. Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, that was so stressful. Jesus Christ, bro. You were like really close on it. Like, I had to push the steering wheel for you.
Well, actually, I don't have my wallet.
I don't have my wallet either. We forgot our freaking wallets, bro. They had to say Apple Pay, though. Apple Pay becoming clutch. Use it.
Oh,
How are you gonna reach?
I'm too far away. You guys take Apple Pay?
Man. You gotta get out to pay.
I gotta get out. Oh.
You gotta get out to pay.
Alright.
The drive-thru was so small.
Your face, you dummy.
Oh, escape my face. There it goes. Hey, Apple Pay really do be clutch, though. We really out here.
Hey, gentlemen. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
We got filet of fish.
Bag secured. All right, let's go park a second and try this, bro.
All right, we got the filet of fishes, fishies.
I'm so scared, dude. I don't like fish at all. I don't.
We're outside of McDonald's. This place is yummy.
All right, isn't there like some sauce on here? Because you know,
Tartar sauce.
oh, dude, this looks absolutely disgusting.
This looks so
This
good.
looks like it came straight out of a. Look at that.
Why is
I'm getting like half of.
Why
the
is yours
sauce.
got all the sauce?
I do like a lot of sauce, but I don't like
You gotta
tartar
admit,
sauce.
this bun is
This
soft.
looks like mayonnaise, bro.
It's tartar sauce.
All right, cheers. Oh. That's really disgusting.
No, no.
That's terrible. Guys, I'm sorry, McDonald's. I only like your McChickens, I'm not gonna lie. Your McChickens are fire. But this has gotta get off the menu ASAP. I'm gonna take one more bite just because I'm here. There's Chipotle right there, you wanna go there? Alright, I'm gonna give my review. Hard 2 out of 10. I'll give it 2.5 because I like my stuff a little crunchier. That was like my teeth went straight through that. No problem.
This one's not as crisp.
Yeah, if it was more crisp, I would have gave it a 3, maybe. If I had to eat it, it'd be a 4 out of 10.
But it's better than the Subway from tuna Subway.
Oh, you're tripping. I like shrimp. That's not a fish, right? It's just I don't like sushi either.
Well, then you weren't gonna like this anyway. Like tuna.
Bro, tuna's different.
Try another one.
Have the whole bag.
Bye bye McDonald's. You treat us so well. I love you. Bring back the snack wrap. Dude, that filet of fish, I'll go every day of the week, twice on Sundays.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's kind of slow.
Good one, pal. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Bro. Guys, this is the view we can see. I feel like I need to show y'all this view more.
I can't see the mirror. Move your big head.
You're in the camera, bro.
I can't see the mirror.
Oh, the mirror! The mirror! Well, you can't get over. The lane's closing.
How you expect me to drive when I can't see the safety precautions?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the camera mirror. Back to what I was trying to say. Should we straight pipe the Koenigsegg? Oh my gosh. Is it fish fillet or fish olay?
I think it's fish fillet.
You look like a fish.
Filet of
Oh
fish.
my god! Oh my, who saw that?
He took all the sun with him.
Let's hit it one more time before we get back to the house in a safe way. Oh my god! Let's 70 this time, 70%. Oh my god, chill. What's your rating? 9 out of 10. Or
9 out of 10, I'd have to go. 9 out of 10. What do you mean? Out of 10? My rating out of 10? Is that what you meant to say?
alright, is it
It's a 10.
10's a 10?
I don't think there's that many 10s.
10's a 10, the 9's a 9, the 8's an 8.
Put the Bugatti at a 9. I would say this is like an 8.9. Like, it's gotta be right on.
You put the Bugatti at a 9?
Out of 10.
Oh.
Because 10
Okay, screw that. 1 out of 10, how was the experience?
10 would be perfect. right? I think this is a very swell experience.
Okay, what's the Bugatti? Is that a 10?
I think a Bugatti, well, because nothing's ever perfect. Bugatti's like a 9, and this would be right under, so like a high 8.
Okay. I could match you on that. I'd match you.
One of these days, we're gonna find a 10. Maybe that Mistral, maybe the Utopia, maybe the Jesco. Because if I put this at a 9,
or maybe
because if I put this car at a 10, well then when the Jesco gets here,
it could be a BMS, break my scale.
Yeah.
Iago.
Well, I think that I put this one a little bit under the Bugatti. Right now, the Bugatti's still the top.
It just because the name, right?
Woke up in a new Bugatti.
Well, I woke up in a new Koenigsegg.
All right, not for the camera.
All right, I'll carry it. It's not bad.
Dude, it's not bad.
Yeah.
What? Hey!
Hey!
I'm trying to start a video here.